To set up Capital One Shopping in Safari, start by opening the Safari browser on your device. Next, navigate to the Capital One Shopping website and click on the Get Started button. You will be prompted to create an account or sign in if you already have one. Once you have logged in, click on the Add to Safari button to install the Capital One Shopping extension. This will redirect you to the Safari Extensions gallery where you can install the extension. Click on the Install Now button to add the extension to your Safari browser. After installation, you will see the Capital One Shopping icon in the top right corner of your Safari browser. Click on this icon to access the extension's features. You can now start using Capital One Shopping to earn rewards and get exclusive deals while shopping online. To ensure that the extension is working properly, restart your Safari browser. You can also check for any available updates in the Safari Extensions gallery to keep your extension up to date. By following these steps, you can easily set up Capital One Shopping in Safari and start enjoying its benefits.